This is a video tutorial on how to make polls on Spellbound Plus. Just a quick note, this option is only available to desktop users and cannot be done on a mobile device. On your homepage of Spellbound Plus, click on the plus button and click on questions or polls. From there, set your posting to Project 863 or whichever desired topic you have. And then in the drop down that says questions, you can select the type of poll you want. Then you type in your poll question, in this case, which season of Project 863 was your favorite. And then you add in your desired options. So for me, I'm going to do season 0, season 1, and if you want to add another option, hit that little plus button, and in this case type in season 2, and then you click the post button. Just a reminder, this option is only available on the desktop version. You cannot do this from mobile. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial video. If there's anything else you would like to know how to do, please comment below and let me know. Otherwise, click on either of these videos to keep watching. Thanks for watching, and remember to breathe.